बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं हूं डॉक्टर मज़हर इकबाल और आप देख रहे हैं मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल दी स्कूल एजुकेशन। आप सब लोग अच्छी तरह जानते हैं कि मैं अल्लामा इकबाल ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी का रिसोर्स पर्सन हूं और मुख्तलिफ सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ा रहा हूं। तो आजकल एक सिलसिला चला हुआ है कि हर वीकेंड पे हर सब्जेक्ट के 20 सवालों का एक टेस्ट हुआ करेगा और ये टेस्ट जो है फाइनल एग्ज़ाम में इसके नंबर शामिल किए जाएंगे। तो आज इस हवाला से फ़िलासफ़ी ऑफ एजुकेशन 8609 का जो कोड है इसका मैं एक सैम्पल पेपर आपको देने जा रहा हूँ। ये पढ़ेंगे आपको इससे फ़ायदा होगा। आज का पहला सवाल, फ़िलासफ़ी बिगन्स विद द सेंस ऑफ वंडर। आ, सी बोथ ए एंड बी, डी नन ऑफ अबव। इनमें से दुरुस्त जवाब है सी बोथ ए एंड बी। Who said philosophy begins in wonder and at end when philosopher thoughts has done its best, wonder remains? Bonnie, Alfred Whitehead, Alfred Bent, Ethend. Alfred Whitehead is the correct answer. Philosophy is the science of sciences, mother of sciences, both A and B, none of above. The correct answer is both A and B. Philosophy determines nature and form of discipline, whether strict, rigid, flexible, all of the above. The correct answer is the all of the above. Who wrote the famous book Modern Development in Educational Practice? John Dewey, Adams, Montessori, none of the above. Correct answer, Adams. A person who has taste for every sort of knowledge, termed as educator, educationist, philosopher, teacher. Correct answer is the philosopher. Who said who is curious to learn and is never satisfied is termed as John Adams, John Dewey, Huxley, Bernard Huxley. Correct answer. The word philosophy is derived from the language Greek, French, Spanish, English. Correct answer, Greek. Philosophy is combination of 2 words, 3 words, 4 words, 5 words. Correct answer, 2 words. Philosophy is the combination of words fellow, Sophia, A and B both, none of above. A and B both. Fellow derived from the word sociology, psychology, philanthropy, Sophia. Philanthropy is the correct answer. Fellow means love, wish. C both A and B. D none of above. Correct answer, both A and B. Sophia means wisdom, knowledge. C both A and B. D none of above. Correct answer, both A and B. Philosophy means love for wisdom, love for knowledge. C both A and B. D none of above. Correct answer, both A and B. Philosophy defined as search for the wisdom of life, an attempt to understand the universe as a whole, an examination of our moral responsibilities and our social obligations. D all of above. Correct answer, all of above. Who says philosophy aims are knowledge of the internal nature of things? Plato, Aristotle, John Dewey, Froebel. Correct answer, Plato. Who said philosophy is the mother of sciences? Froebel, John Davy, Plato, Aristotle. Correct answer, Aristotle. Who says philosophy is concerned with everything as universal science? Herbert Spencer, Plato, John Davy, Aristotle. Correct answer, Herbert Spencer. Philosophy is the critical reviewing of familiar things. Kant, John Davy, Plato, Smith. Correct answer, John Davy. Philosophy is the science and criticism of cognition. A. John Davy, B. Froebel, C. Kant, D. All of above. Correct answer, Kant. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. Pray for your goodness. Dr. Mazhar Iqbal.